If your home's not photo ready, you're leaving money on the table. This one rule can either make or break your sale this year. I call it my one or none rule. It's my #1 rule in prepping your home to look clean, spacious, and inviting, both in person and in photos. For every flat surface in your home, you either want one decorative item or nothing at all. It's just that simple. Now I know I made it sound really simple, but when you walk room to room, you realize just how much we tend to leave out without even thinking about it. So let's start in the kitchen, the heart of the home, and often the biggest selling point. Your countertops, one or none. That means either one decorative piece, like a bowl of lemons or a sleek soap dispenser, or absolutely nothing at all. That means no extra soap bottles, no drying racks, no spice collections, no cluttered appliances, unless it's something you use every single day, like a coffee machine, and even then, only if it doesn't crowd the space. If you got a giant air fryer or a heavy mixer, tuck it away if you can. And please, the top of the stove is not storage shelf. So the tea kettle or pot, put it away. Same goes for your refrigerator. Bathrooms are often overlooked, but they matter. So here too, you want to address one or none. Clear off that counter. No toothbrushes, no toothpaste, no half-empty hand soaps or lotions. If it's not decorative, it goes away. Same with towels. If it's not staged, folded nicely and matching, it's gone. If your shower's open, no loofahs, no shampoo collections. Keep it minimal and hotel-like. And one more thing, no rugs. When it comes to nightstands and dressers, the rule still applies, one or none. The biggest thing is if you have a big object like a television on it, that can stay, and then you can have a decorative piece along with it. In the office, it doesn't need to be picture perfect, but it should feel organized. Your desk isn't for show, but clean it off as much as possible. You want buyers to see the function of the space, not your to-do list. Here are a few bonus tips. Hide all the trash can. Yes, all of them, even the ones in the bathroom and the kitchen. Also, if it's not attached to the wall or part of the home and it's sitting on a surface, ask yourself, is this my one decorative item? If it's not, it goes. And remember, just because something's functional doesn't mean it belongs in the listing photos. I know it sounds simple, one or none, but try it. Go room by room and you'll see just how much stuff we accumulate over the years without realizing it. And in 2025, with so much competition, standing out visually is everything.